Hello and welcome to today's NetBeez video. Today we're talking about NetBeez participation at the ONUG Fall 2019 meeting. If you're not familiar with the ONUG organization, this organization was founded in 2012 with the mission of really bringing together the IT community and matching the vendors and system integrators with enterprise customers that are facing everyday challenges to deploy large-scale hybrid and multi-cloud networks. So the goal really of the meetings of ONUG is like really to figure out priority use cases and solutions that address the challenging of deploying but also managing a large-scale infrastructure. As you can understand, this is something very relevant to NetBeez since from our day one, of course, we aim to help large-scale and distributed networks to be easily managed. And we'll be participating to the 2019 fall event of ONUG in New York City, which will be in Manhattan on October 16th and 17th. If you want to learn more about this event, but also ONUG itself, you can go to www.onug.net/events/fall-2019, and you can also register. So how is the ONUG working group collaboration process? Typically, what you see is that the enterprise users identify critical use cases, high priority use cases that need to be addressed because are in their mind is something that they're working on right now and they're facing challenges with. So then the ONUG working groups, they meet and collaborate together to develop frameworks and also define requirements for these high priority use cases. And generally these working groups are comprised of enterprise users, vendors, but also solutions integrators. So it's really like a collaborative process a priori. And all these requirements are defined and published through RFPs, where companies can individually or together in collaboration with other vendors submit solutions. This solution will be presented and reviewed by the ONUG board, and then will be, of course, also showcased during the ONUG events, such as the one that we're having in fall 2019 in New York City. And as the last phase, the ONUG processes also the verification and testing of these solutions. This solution, of course, can be done individually by the vendors or in collaboration with the other vendors. So really there is a benefit for enterprise users because they get references and real solution to accelerate their deployment of hybrid multi-cloud applications and environments, and vendors and solutions integration, they gain a clear understanding of the challenges that the enterprise users are facing in their day-to-day operation. At the moment, there are 5 working groups defined for fall 2019. The first 2 are about hybrid multi-cloud security and observability. The second one is something very important for NetBeez as it relates to our solution. So it's about monitoring and analytics. Then there is a working group on SD-WAN 2.0, so the next generation. And then the last 2, as you see, they were just newly added on this event fall 2019. One on orchestration automation, and the last one on AIOps for hybrid multi-cloud. For hybrid multi-cloud observability, the goal of this working group is to specify the requirements to gain data and understanding the performance and the status of a network on infrastructure where an enterprise doesn't own, operate, and control the underlying infrastructure. So this Visio is very clear to understand, like when you have a mixed environment between public and private cloud, and maybe you have your transport going through different layers of different networks, it's very difficult to understand what is the end user experience and also to understand what is the root cause of a specific problem and what are the users or application affected. So NetBeez for this event in New York City in October will provide and showcase our solution to the ONUG audience. So I encourage you to register if you're interested to learn more about this community, connect with vendors like NetBeez to really understand and learn about how to solve these high priority needs and use cases. With that, I hope this video was beneficial to learn more about ONUG. If you want to learn more, also feel free to go to netbeez.net or onug.net. Thank you and have a great day.